again and welcome. My name is Sandra. My channel is called Sussex Sandra and welcome. How are you all doing? Are you all doing all right? Yeah? You sure? Alright, that's good. You might be able to hear it in my voice. I've come down with a cold and I literally just put it down to two things really. One, change of season. I do this every year. As soon as the weather starts to warm up, so we go from winter to spring and there's a weather change, I always catch a cold. It happens every single year, so my voice is a little bit strange at the moment. And also I think that I'm just a little bit, my body's a little bit burnt out. It was the end of the financial year sort of last week, so at work we were doing that final push, so everybody was going all out, working really hard. So last week I had some really long hours and I was tired, and I came home every day last week and I was just like, cook dinner, bed. Some evenings I didn't even cook dinner. I just sort of sent a text message to my lot at home and said, I'm not going to be getting home until like 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, sort yourselves out. So, that was it. So last week was tired and I think my body is now just kind of recovering now. So when my body recovers, it pushes out all the toxins and stuff, and I've got a cold. Anyway, that's my little woes, but you don't need to know about that. I hope you're all doing well anyway. Today I am going to be doing the April Look Fantastic beauty box. So Look Fantastic is a monthly beauty subscription box. It depends, different prices. So if you just buy the box just as a one-off, so you just want to buy the box just to get that particular month's box, it costs £15. If you do what I do, I sign up for the year, so I'm signed in for the year, so I'll get the box every month. I pay a reduced price each month and I pay £13. Then you can also do what do they call it? They call it upfront payments. I can't remember if the upfront payments are, you can buy you pay for 3 boxes up front. You can pay for 6 months of boxes, and you can pay for 12 months of boxes. The longer you sign up for, or the longer you do an upfront payment for, the box will be cheaper per box each month. Does that make sense? But I can't remember what the prices are. I'll put the prices up all around me so you can see for yourself what you want to do. If you do want to sign up for Look Fantastic Beauty Box, I do have a referral code down below. So if you use my referral code, you will get some money off your first box. I can't remember how much it is, but you will get some money off your first box. And I get points which can convert to pounds later on, which I can use at some point to buy something from the Look Fantastic website. Alright, that's a bit of background. Let's get into it. I am not going to go through what I did with last month's box because I can't remember. I don't even think I wrote it down. Let me see if I did write down last month's box. Don't think I did. March. No, I didn't write down anything about March's box. Completely forgot. As I said, March was just end of the year. My head was in other spaces. Alright, let's open up this box. So this is what it looks like. It came yesterday. Today is Wednesday. And I got home late last night, so I didn't do it. But I'm home today sick, so let me do the box now. Okay, sorry about the low energy, guys. Just, yeah, I feel like crap. I feel like crap. Oh dear. Right, let's open this up. Okie dokie, right, here we go. So that's what the contents looks like at the moment. I've covered in a whole load of leaflets, so it's probably got the usual leaflets in there, so let's just go through those quickly. We've got the usual tails.com. We've got 3 of those this month. Do we really need 3 of those? They literally just throw the leaflets in. Then we've got the usual Hello Fresh. And what else is this? This is something different. This is River Island. 15% off River Island. There we go. And it's got a code on the back there, so if you shop at Referral and you want to use that code, there you go. Yep. And I'm having a quick look at the contents. I'm seeing a product there that is a definite repeat. And it's like, again? But we'll go through it. No card yet again, but I did bring up the website. I went to the website just to remind myself how much the box costs, and it's got the details of the box, it's got the details of the contents of the box on the website. So yeah, let's go for it. So what's inside the edit? So let's do the first product. So we have got from the new, so this is a skincare brand, so this is the new Co Super Thick Scalp Serum, 15 milliliters. This is a deluxe size worth £15. With its patented probiotic technology, this serum works to create an environment where hair can grow thicker, fuller and longer. Okay, alright. Well, you know I'm going to be using that because I've got very thin hair. So yeah, I will do that. Oh yeah, you've probably noticed that I'm not wearing my crochet braids. I took them out at the weekend and is it the weekend I took them out? Yeah, I took them out at the weekend and I just decided I'm not going to put them in for now. I'm just going to just leave my hair out natural. I probably will put them back in again, but not now. That's it. So you can see all my graduation of different colours of greys going on here. Hey, the joys of getting older. There you go. So that's the first product. Alright. I will use that product, so give it a go. It's not enough to do anything to see an effect. With products like this, you've got to use them for at least 6 weeks, 2 months to see any difference. So there's definitely not enough here for that. It's probably, I don't know. Well, I don't think there's 2 months worth there. Right. Next, we've got something from Peter Thomas Roth. Peter Thomas Roth Water Drench Mask, 14ml, and this is deluxe size, and this is worth £10. We always get Peter Thomas Roth products inside our boxes. So this is a 72-hour hydration hero. This mask is formulated with 20% hyaluronic acid complex to quench your complexion even after it's been rinsed off. Okay, I might actually try this one for a change, because normally with the Peter Thomas Roth products I don't use them, but this one I might try because of the hydration properties. Okay, then we have got from L'Occitane. Okay, this is L'Occitane and this is the Shea Butter Hand Cream, 30 milliliters, deluxe size, and this is worth £10. The L'Occitane's hand creams are normally excellent. They just do really well when it comes to hand creams. So if you're going to get a hand cream, this is the brand, in my opinion. They're a bit of a weird brand. I think they're like an MLM now, multi-level marketing. I'm not sure. I've heard all sorts of strange rumours about this brand, so I'm not quite sure what's going on with them. But yeah, they do really good hand creams. And they also do that almond shower oil, which I absolutely love. That almond shower oil is lovely. So if we were to get that, then I'd be happy. Alright. Okay, so L'Occitane Shea Butter Hand Cream, 30 milliliters, deluxe size, worth £10. Featuring a sumptuous blend of botanicals and notes of jasmine and ylang ylang, this award-winning formula nourishes and softens the skin. So that's all cool. Okay, so 3 out of 3. I'm going to be using all 3 of these products. So yeah, but so far definitely this is my favourite product. Then we've got this again. We seem to get this like every couple of months. Does anybody actually use these? Because I don't. Anyway, this is the IsoClean Makeup Brush Cleaner with a spray top, 110 milliliters, deluxe size, and it's worth £8. Break out the habit of not cleaning your brushes with this easy to use antibacterial spray designed to capture lingering makeup. I don't know what to think about these. I just never use it, so I'm probably going to put this in my giveaway. I've got a giveaway going at the moment, and it ends on April the 30th, 31st. How many days are there in April? I can't remember, but it's the last day of April. That's when my giveaway ends, and it's an international giveaway as well. Alright, next we've got a perfume, and we've got from Mugler Alien Hyperscent Fragrance, 1.2 milliliters, complimentary gift from us. A move on from the classic Alien fragrance, this scent features a higher intensity with notes of green mandarin and pear. Discover something new. Okay, it's cool. So it is, I'm not going to spray it because I can't smell anything right now. I literally can't. But let me see if I can show you how big it is. You get enough to get a good idea of what the fragrance is like. I'm pretty certain I've received this before, you know. Very certain that I've received it before. But that's how big it is. So you'll get, like, if you were to use it every day, you've got a week's worth of fragrance there. Yep. Then we have got, ooh, there's some other things in here. They haven't got the other things. Yes, they have. Right, here we go. We've got the brush, a Spectrum A05 blusher brush, full size, worth over £8. That's good. With this expertly designed brush, you can blend your blush seamlessly. Use the soft angles of the bristles to contour or colour the cheeks. I feel like every time they do a Spectrum, it's always from this range of Spectrum brushes. So I just wonder if they've just got a whole load of these inside their warehouse, and they'll just drop one in from time to time in our boxes. But yep, it's all good. For those of you who haven't got a blush brush, brushes like this I tend to use more for contouring. So yep, you've got that. That's all good. I probably won't keep that. That'll probably end up in the giveaway as well, to be honest. And then we've got another product here. Yes. See, now we're talking. See, now I was just talking about the L'Occitane Almond Shower Oil. This is it. This is lovely. Right, so this is the L'Occitane Shower Oil, 35ml, deluxe size. This is worth £4. Featuring their best-selling formula, this transforms from a silky golden oil to a very milk-like lather upon contact with water. So this shower gel, it's like an oil. I mean, I tend to use a scrunchie when I'm washing my body, or they call them sort of African cloths. I use that as well. But you use this and it leaves your skin smelling gorgeous, and your skin is really soft and moisturised. Not greasy, just moisturised with a nice lingering soft scent. So I'm actually quite pleased to receive that. So that is good. So cool. And that is our box this month. So we've got, for me, favourite products are definitely these two products from L'Occitane. These are, to me, the two best products that L'Occitane do. Hand cream and this almond oil shower gel. So those are my two favourite products this month. The spray, for the brush cleaner spray, I'm probably going to put this in the giveaway box because I don't use it. The only thing is I have to check to see if it's something I can ship internationally. So if a person wins this box in my giveaway, I might not be able to ship this, so just be aware of that. We've got the Spectrum brush, angled brush, which you can use for blush and for contour, so that will be going in a giveaway. I will be keeping the new serum, super thick serum for the hair. I will be keeping that. Yep. And I will be giving a go of this Peter Thomas Roth hydration mask, which is a change for me because I never used this guy's products. I just haven't enjoyed anything I've tried from him so far. So I'm going to give this one a go and hopefully it'll be alright. So I'm keeping 4 out of the 6 products. This is a gift, so it's a perfume, so we'll keep that. But yeah, and these two will be going in the giveaway boxes. Alright, that's my April. We are in April, aren't we? Yes, that's my April Look Fantastic box, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already. Alright guys, take care. I'll see you soon. Bye.